Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to increase 2 stitches, one on either side of a central stitch. And we're going to do that by finding our center stitch, which is here on my left-hand needle. To begin, I'm going to insert my right-hand needle into the row below the one that's on the left-hand needle. I'm going to wrap my yarn for knitting, and then bring that new stitch that I just wrapped out of the hole. So now I have a stitch on the right hand needle. You'll notice I do not take the stitch off the left hand needle until I've worked it. So here I'm working it in a purl stitch. That'll be my center stitch in this case. Sometimes you'll knit that, sometimes you'll purl it. I'm going to now bring my yarn to the back for knit, and I am going to insert that right hand needle into the same space that I had picked up the other stitch out of, and I'm going to pick up now my left hand stitch. And there I've increased 3 stitches in one, and it looks really cool. Happy knitting!